Hey peeps, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no bill.
Y'all already know when y'all girl come all bare and natural. What's really up? What's really good? I have another Beauty on a Budget series for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I'm trying to speak as low as possible. The kids are sleeping. So I'm gonna try to go through this quick. As you guys can see by the title, I did get some makeup stuff from my local beauty supply, not drugstore, beauty supply. So it's called, I think, A&B's Beauty Supply. It's called R&B Beauty Supply Store. So I went there, got a couple items, and yeah, I have my makeup bag handy just in case if one of these are like a, even though I try not to use any other items besides the one that that I purchased from the particular store or place that I'm reviewing. But let's see what I've got. And normally, as you guys know, I would separate my showing you guys what I have and the actual makeup tutorial in 2 different videos. But today I decided not to do that only because I didn't purchase that many items. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have as I go, okay? So we're gonna start with eyebrow. I got my bag here. I got some hair, but that's for a whole nother video. And of course, every time I do a Beauty on a Budget series, I always got my pimp juice. Let's go. For eyebrows, I got this eyebrow print. So you guys know that I normally use the e.l.f. and like I think it's medium brown. This time I got a Go Brow RK by Kiss. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure none of my autofocus is probably going to be retarded, so I'm just going to put the items on the screen. It comes with one part is a spoolie, the other half is a highlighter. That's kind of why I got it too, because that's kind of interesting. A highlighter, eyebrow, and a spoolie in one thing. So this part is a highlighter. I'm not sure if you can see it. Probably not. And we have the pencil up here. You gotta scroll it to push it out. I've twisted, lately I've been like kind of into these. I've stopped using like the actual pencil because I feel like these make your eyebrows look way more natural. And I have it in the color dark brown, so hopefully it's not too dark. So let's see. Normally I get the color hold on, let me check. So normally I get the color toffee, this color right here, but this time I decided to go with beautiful bronze. Hopefully it works well. It looked nice against my skin in the store, so if not, we can always clean it up with toffee afterwards. But I'm gonna use beautiful bronze for now so you guys can see how it's holding it. Alright, so per usual, I used too much concealer, but it's okay, it's okay. So the next item I have on my list, this one I actually get from the beauty supply. I actually brought it online because I couldn't find a beauty blender at the specific beauty supply that I went to, but it's also still affordable. You'll see the price on the screen as well. I'll let you guys know. The link to the website I got it from will be down below. I got it from instylish.com, INSTYLISH. It's their beauty blenders. I wanted to test it out and see how it goes. It's really affordable. It's only $12.99, so that's not bad because I've seen beauty blenders for $20, $30, and I'm just like, well, what, sis? Is it gonna automatically beat my whole face for me? $20? No. So $12.99. That's a grab. Like, that's it, you know. So let's see if it's gonna hold up to how much it costs. That's another thing we gotta check out, so just bear with me. But yeah, so I'm partnering up with InStylish to bring you guys these beauty blender, and I'll let you guys know a real review on how it holds up and if it's good and it's blending. But as you guys know, your girl don't like to use foundation, so I'm just gonna use the foundation that I already have, which is the Truly Matte by LA Colors. Y'all know that I don't wear foundation, so that's why I didn't get a foundation from the beauty supply. But then the beauty blender came in, and I was like, oh, you know what, I should have got foundation. But you know what, we're just gonna use the Truly Matte because it's only what, $5 to $8 depending on what store you buy it from, so it's still considered beauty on a budget. Okay. I don't understand how people don't love to eat. Like, food just tastes so fucking good. Like, So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with 2, so think about it. $12.99 for 2 beauty blenders. That's like $6.50 each. Way less than like the Sephora ones, the Max, like way less. And they feel so good so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm and they smell good. I'm gonna wet one so that I can let you guys know how it feel wet, and I'm gonna blend it on this face, and the dry one I'm gonna keep dry, and I'm gonna blend out that face, and you guys can probably tell the difference between both sides of my face with the foundation and the beauty blender. Because I know some people like to have their beauty blenders wet. So this one's the wet one, the brown one, and the pink one is the dry one. Let's go. Alright, now here's the dry one. So let me guys know if you see a difference between this side of my face. This is the wet beauty blender, and this side of my face, this is the dry beauty blender. Me personally, I like it wet. I feel like this side of my face is more glowy, it's more natural looking. This side of my face looks a bit ashy, but push come to shove, the beauty blenders so far held up great. They feel really soft, they're real smushy, real soft. They blend really well. As you can see, I didn't even have to do much patting. Like, my face is already blended. It took me no more than maybe a minute, literally, guys. Whereas other beauty blenders or like brushes, they take forever to blend out your makeup. And then for $6.50, $12.99 for a 2-pack, that's a steal, y'all. That's a steal. So go ahead, I'm gonna leave the link down in my description box below. Make sure to click on it and get yourself 2 of these for $12.99 so that you guys can go ahead and blend out in style, because y'all don't want to be looking like them girls out there that have their faces half blended and the other half is not blended at all. On to my next product. So now I'm gonna conceal my nose. You guys know my glasses marks. Conceal under my eyes to see if this is gonna brighten it up a little bit. I'm actually in my bright since I have foundation on. I'm sorry, y'all, but this shit is busting. I think I like it better than the Amazon concealer. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review with all the Amazon products that I bought versus the beauty supply product. I think I'm gonna do that. Like, do Amazon versus beauty supply, beauty budget. Oops, I messed up my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna grab my InStylish beauty blender again, and we're gonna blend this out. No lie, y'all, this beauty blender is really, really good. Like, it's really good. Like, I have this one beauty blender. Let me show you guys. This purple one I have here, and it's not as soft as this. This is more soft. Look at like the difference in the squish. You see how this squishes more, and this one I can barely press it. The InStylish is really good. This one, whenever I put makeup on it, it sucks up my makeup and it doesn't leave any coverage on my face. So that's why I barely use it. I always use a brush when I blend out my concealing my nose or when I'm concealing under my eyes. This one actually leaves the makeup on my face, allows it to do its job with the coverage, and it's really soft, not hard at all, and it blends really well, like really, really well. So next, what I have for you guys is lashes. So let me go ahead and go get this lash glue because I like these lashes. There are 3D faux mink lashes. They're in the style LFSD 21B by the brand Le Flare, the Secret of Beauty. So yeah, this is what it looks like. They're pretty lusciously full and long, you guys. As you guys know, I always go for like more thinner brows so that I can not that brows. As you guys know, I always go for more thinner lashes because I like when it looks more natural, but I got a more dramatic look this time and I got it a lot more longer. Right now I'm looking like a naked mole rat with no lashes on my eyes because I got some minks done and they like ate up my lashes, and my lashes were just finally starting to grow. So I don't know why I went and did that to myself. But without further ado, oh my gosh, I hate how my face looks with foundation. Ugh, that's why I don't want foundation. I like my more natural glow. But breath. Cardi don't need no breath. Shoot your hoes, put them on the wrist. I don't know the lyrics. The last items that I brought were lip colors. They're like lip gloss with specific colors. This one is, they're both by, damn, I got a lot of items by Kiss, not knowing. They're both by Kiss. This one is a mango and butter and acai berry flavor, and it's called Cherry Pick. This one is just shea butter, and it's called, what's your name, girl? What's your name, girl? Oh, and it's called Casablanca. So, Casablanca, and cherries picked. Let's start with cherry pick first. Then I stay like around the red pink colors only due to the fact that my lip color. But I don't expect these colors to show. No lie, this tastes very good. And it feels very good. It don't feel like my other lip glosses. My other lip glosses feel really watery. This one is a little bit more sticky and it sticks. And it smells great. It tastes and smells great. But I don't really see the cherry pick in it. It just looks like regular lip gloss. I thought it would have been a little bit more tinted, but I guess not. But first lip gloss, okay? We're gonna try the Casablanca. You know what? I don't feel like getting a napkin, so let's use our shirt. Now let's try Casablanca. That cherry tastes really good. I hope this one tastes good too. So the Casablanca, it just has no taste. It smells alright, but I wouldn't expect nothing more because it is a shea butter flavor, that's all. This one is a cherry flavor, so that's why it smells better and tastes better. Hold on, let me smell Casablanca. Yeah, Casablanca just tastes like, just smells like regular. It smells good, but it's like nothing serious. I'm not gonna lie though, it does got a hint of pink to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on my lip. Ooh, I'm digging it though, I'm digging it. I like the both of them, so it doesn't really matter. I'm digging both. Last item, so I'm gonna try the highlighter part of the pencil to see what it has to offer. It looks like they just put gold on like gold on a eyeshadow brush, and that's it. It looks like a one-time use actually. I don't know, but it's not really doing much. I didn't really get the pencil for that reason anyhow, so I don't think it matters. So this is the finished product. I love the way I'm looking. It looks real natural. Yeah, no, I don't do nothing big when it comes to makeup. I stick to the natural look. Look real basic and natural. This is a lace front wig that I got at my local beauty supply as well. On everything, I spent practically like I think about 20 bucks. I didn't spend too much. Yeah, maybe less than that, if even. Because I know this was, the concealer was $2.99. The lip glosses were $1.99 each. The lashes was $3.99. The beauty blender was $12.99 for both. And I think that's it. And the eyebrow pencil was $3.99. But I think I would stick to my e.l.f. pencil. I would stick to my e.l.f. pencil only because I get my e.l.f. pencil for like $1 something at Walmart. I don't have to, for $3.99 I can get like 2 or 3. So I feel like it's a little bit too expensive for a pencil. But if you guys like the work that it did, if you guys love how I'm looking, these are some items that you guys can look into and still look good without having to do like over exaggerating with the blush, whatever. I think I might bake a little bit, and I did buy Ella's color like light powder things to bake. So I think I'm gonna do some minor baking. But again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit everyone to be notified. Don't forget to tell a friend, so they can tell a friend, so they can tell a friend, so they can tell another friend, so that friend can come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps.